Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Flip Clock. First, open the Zen Flip Clock application after it has been installed on your device. You will immediately see the clean, minimalist flip clock interface. To begin, gently tap anywhere on the screen. This action reveals the hidden settings icon, often found in the bottom right corner. Select the timer function from the menu that appears, then easily set your first focus period, perhaps for 25 minutes, by adjusting the numbers. This straightforward process quickly prepares you for a focus session. Personalizing your Zen Flip Clock experience is simple and fun. From the main clock view, tap the display to bring up the menu, then select the small gear icon to enter settings. Within the settings, you will find a dedicated theme section. Here, you can browse through several elegant visual styles, such as a classic dark mode or a vibrant light theme. Feel free to experiment with different font options and color schemes to create an interface that truly reflects your personal taste and enhances your focus. Beyond a simple countdown, Zen Flip Clock offers versatile timing modes. For structured productivity, activate the integrated Pomodoro timer. It guides you through 25-minute work intervals followed by 5-minute breaks, optimizing your concentration. If you need to track how long an activity takes, switch to the stopwatch function, providing precise measurement down to 1/100th of a second. You can also easily set a specific countdown for an upcoming event or focus task, ensuring you stay on schedule. To truly enhance your productivity, explore Zen Flip Clock's advanced focus tools. Engage focus mode to dim unnecessary interface elements and receive gentle notifications, keeping your mind firmly on the task at hand. The app also tracks your daily focus statistics, allowing you to review your productive time and identify patterns in your work habits. Furthermore, setting achievable daily goals directly within the application provides a clear roadmap, helping you stay motivated and consistently progress towards your objectives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.